Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add picture in Excel comment box. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. We have discussed in detail how to create and work with comments in this video. So for example, let's take this range and add comment with the corresponding picture to each cell. Right click on the first cell and select insert comment. Delete the extra entry and right-click on the comment again and select comment format. Just be careful to press the right mouse button only when the cursor is on the edges of the comment, because if you right-click inside the comment, we will get the comment format only with the phone tab. Great, the comment format is open. Now go to the Colors and Lines tab and click Color. Next, Fill Effects, and in the window that opens, select the Picture tab, click Select Picture, select the picture that is stored in a folder on your computer, and click Insert. The picture is added, click OK and OK again. And as you can see, we have successfully added the picture to the comment box. If the size of the comment box is small, we can always increase it. Right-click on the cell and select Edit. We pull the comment by the corner and enlarge it to the desired size. Great, now when the cursor is over the cell with the comment, then every time we will see our added picture. It's all. Now we know a little more. Thanks for watching.